At Connellsville Area High School, we are using STEM technology to prepare for the future. A future with drones. We drone? How would you drone? In our school's Drone Academy, we are introduced to drone skills that will prepare us for exciting new careers,
such as law enforcement or military use.
We have used our drones for our school's promotional video.
We can just program it to take a certain video or a picture for media use.
We're learning how to construct, design, build drones, as well as how to use them and what to use them for.
We can envision many ways drones can be used in and out of communities, such as monitoring wildlife. Farmers can monitor livestock. Fire departments can plan attacks of wildfires. Inspection of power lines. The future is really limitless when it comes to using drones. Exciting field of knowledge. How will you drone?